Hello, my name is Bob Evans and I am going to give you a quick review of garden retaining walls. The idea of garden retaining walls is to give you an attractive and easy to build solution. Gardens can have limited access and a wall may need to be built by hand rather than using heavy plant. You can see a selection of different designs from gravity, cantilever and reinforced soil. All these solutions can be built by hand and do it yourself with some basic training. Block gravity walls can be built up to 750 millimeters in height. Gabion basket gravity walls can be built up to 5 meters in height. The cost of a gravity block wall is between £250 and £350 a square metre, and for a gabion between £300 and £400 a square metre. These budgets do not include any excavation works. Reinforced soil retaining walls can be built up to 12 metres in height. The cost of a Geoweb reinforced soil wall is between £250 and £350 a square metre, and blocks reinforced soil walls between £350 and £450 per square metre. The cost can be reduced by doing the work yourself. The images on this page are a Gabion basket and a Geoweb example design. Designs come with a detailed report, calculations, material specifications and a sketch showing the wall section. The question everybody wants to know is, how much does a retaining wall cost? To answer this question, we have created a retaining wall design and price guide. The guide details all the retaining walls on the website, provides a design guide to allow you to cost out the wall yourself, or you can use our cost table that we have developed. You can use the table to calculate a budget for your project. You can also compare the cost of different wall types. We have a 3-step process to support you with your retaining wall project. Step 1, help you select the right solution for your requirements and budget. Step 2, design a solution for your site and soil requirements. Step 3, prepare material schedules to obtain competitive prices using our supply chain. The next step is to ask us questions and tell us about your project. We can then support you to deliver it and probably save you some money. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.